To create an ad campaign, you click on the plus button. You can create campaigns presently on Snapchat and Google Ads. In the near future, you'll be able to create campaigns on Meta. For each one you want to create, you would have to select whether you want to use your ad account or our ad account. Then you select the purpose. Click on continue. You will put the name of the brand, the purpose of your ad, the target location, and your goal. Then optionally your website URL, and you need to add any images or videos that fit the required specifications as written here. The brand name. We'll be using PostPaddy for this test, a social media management tool, as the sister of our ad management tool. And the purpose is to get more signups. Target location for this will be Nigeria, and our goal to get leads throughout my website or URL. I'm going to be putting the PostPaddy website here. Then you need to read the image and media specifications and upload only media files that meet the specifications. On upload, select the image. When you're done, click on next. You can change the genders that you'll be targeting, all male or female. And you can also change the minimum age and the maximum age. Then you can select the cities you are looking to target in the country you've selected in the earlier screen. Then click on Start Campaign, and the AI will then go through your ad, go through your purpose, your website, and pick the best audience and set up the campaign for your review before you can then go ahead to pay and publish the campaign. You can add a campaign name for this, or you can edit daily budget. For each daily budget, you will see the estimated daily reach and impressions. And as you change daily budget, it updates. You can also set the start date and the end date. You will see your total budget. You will also see the target audience being selected, which in this case is digital content creators and social media marketers, which aligns very closely with what Socials by PostPaddy does, which is a social media management tool. Then you see your ad, and you can optionally click on the ad to edit the ad. You can change the city, headline, brand name, or the website URL. If you're ready to go, click on Publish Campaign, and then make a payment. Once you make the payment, your campaign is published,